IRS update for early filers. You may have to amend your 2022 tax return. Welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back for another IRS update, updated on the IRS.gov website, April 11, 2023. The IRS is reporting that if you file your taxes early and you reported certain state 2022 tax refunds as taxable income, you should consider amending your tax return. The IRS cannot get it right. File early, and now they are stating that you may need to amend your tax return because if you claim certain state refunds, you did not have to report that income if you were in the state of California, Colorado, Connecticut, Delaware, Florida, Hawaii, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, Maine, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, and Alaska. But Alaska is only a special group. This applies to those who have the special supplement energy relief payment. If you receive that particular payment and you were in Alaska, you also did not have to report that state refund as taxable income. So here the IRS delaying your tax refund again, penalizing you for filing early. Shame on them. Taxpayers can see a listing of individual states and the federal tax treatment of their special state refunds or rebates, and you can find this information. You have to go to the IRS.gov website, type in the search news, and select the news update for April 11th, and click here in the blue section where you see state payments and look for your particular states. Also, in addition, many people in Georgia, Massachusetts, South Carolina, and Virginia will not include special state 2022 tax refunds as income for federal tax purposes if they meet certain requirements. For those individual state payments will not be included for federal tax purposes if the payment is a refund of state taxes paid and the recipient either claimed the standard deduction for the tax year 2022 or itemize their tax year 2022 deductions but did not receive a tax benefit. So those are the special circumstances for people in Georgia, Massachusetts, South Carolina, and Virginia. Now, taxpayers who filed before February 10th in those areas and meet the requirements should check their tax returns to make sure they paid tax on the state refund before filing an amended tax return. Let me repeat that. It states that taxpayers who filed before February 10th in those specific areas and met the requirements, all right, should check their tax returns to make sure they pay tax on a state refund before filing an amended tax return. So you want to make sure you paid taxes on it before filing an amended return, because if you didn't pay taxes on it and you were not supposed to, then you're fine. In addition, taxpayers in those situations who use a tax professional can consult with them to determine whether an amended return is necessary. So if you use a tax service to file your taxes, consult with them first before filing an amended tax return. And if you file your taxes yourself, also see if you can consult with a tax professional before you go and amend your tax return, and you may not have to do so. Now, if an amended return is needed, taxpayers who submitted their original 2022 tax return electronically, it states you can file your amended return electronically as well, and you may select direct deposit for any remaining refund. Filing electronically cuts out the mail time, and including direct deposit information on your electronic forms will also speed up your refund faster. You can also do an amended tax return by mail by filling out Form 1040X, an amended U.S. individual tax return, and you can mail it to the address listed above. Now, direct deposit is not available on amended returns submitted on paper. No matter how you file your tax return, remember amended returns, you can check the status on the Where is My Amended tool and not the Where is My Refund tool. You can also get more information on amended tax returns on the IRS.gov website. Search tax topic 308 amended tax returns. All right. And don't forget to check the income tax refund playlist pinned in the comment section. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.